Okay, you guys, hopefully you can hear me. I got this new microphone. You can see I'm up 800. Um, Not bad, not bad, not bad for the Asians. Persuasion. My other ones has already hit TP. As you can see, it smashed it. So I just need this one to, it's already hit target. Realistically, it already hit target. It did what it was supposed to do. But I wanted to record this in front of you guys, so you're going to watch me close this trade out. And this is part of what the Futrix is all about. You know, we trade the futures market, easy money, no stress, no worries. I was sitting on the couch with my laptop, watching a movie with Nancy, and, you know, so I'm going to close this out, take that 700. Okay, well, 600, 700, whatever it is. All right, guys. So again, if you want to be part of the Futrix trading program, again, you know, live sessions start tomorrow. Starts on Tuesday. So you got more than enough time to get set up so we can get you set up on our indicator, make sure everything is working fine, and you guys will be good to go, man. So sorry about the background noise. Like I said, I was actually sitting on the couch watching a movie with Nancy, but, you know, I just want to run in here and record this so y'all can see live exactly what's going on. Hey, it's popping. It's popping. Futrix.com. The link is at the top. All right. See y'all in there.